We do have some storms back in the forecast. Switching gears a little bit here, but we've got some clouds around this morning. We'll likely see some more showers and storms trying to develop later on this morning and then again later on this afternoon and evening. So the first round of storms likely not to be severe, but we could see some hail developing in some of the stronger cells. This is our Holton camera. You can see the clouds around this morning, but the skies are also lightening up too. Ooh, look at that dramatic shot. Matthew, come back here. Look at that shot out of central Topeka. That looks really cool. 59 degrees. We've got our winds out of the north and east at 7 miles an hour. Now, yeah, I know you just said whoa out in the back. We do have some clouds around this morning and eventually starting to see some potential shower development out towards the west. That's where we're watching for that anyway, and that's going to be likely making their way to the north and east through the morning hours and into the early afternoon. This is all associated with this trough out towards the west. We've got southwesterly flow coming in here, and that's going to eventually give us more of these rounds of storms until we can clear this upper level system. Now today we do have that first round heading our direction this morning. 7 a.m. we may start to see some of that trying to creep into some of our western counties, and then likely seeing some showers and storms through about lunchtime into the early afternoon. Like I was saying, these are not expected to become severe, but some of them may get strong enough where we may see some hail in some of those that may just be reaching that cusp of the severe weather criteria, which is 1 inch in diameter or quarter-sized hail. So we'll be watching for that today. We'll also be watching for where our warm front ends up. That's going to be lifting up to the north. We'll see where that goes. That's going to be kind of the focus where we could see potential storm development again later on today. Stronger storms, though, likely off to our south and west, but we may still see some of these stronger severe storms in some of our northern counties. It really just kind of depends on where that front's going to end up. So we'll keep a close eye on that today. Could see some damaging wind gusts, some large hail, maybe a few brief spin-ups again, especially with that front nearby. So we'll be monitoring for that, and then we'll kind of transition over to a heavy rain potential where we could see more rounds of heavier rain, some storms moving through the same areas. So maybe we'll transition more to a flooding risk heading into the nighttime tonight into tomorrow as we've got those showers and storms continuing on through the daytime Thursday. A cold front finally swings through though later on Thursday evening, and that should briefly clear out our rain chances heading into Friday. But between now and then, we're looking at least a widespread maybe inch of rain upwards to about 2 or even 3 inches of rainfall, especially north of I-70. That's who has the best chances to see several inches of rain over the next couple of days, but we're all looking at widespread rain here. Now our winds for now are out of the north and east. We had that cold front sweep through yesterday. Like I said, we're waiting for that warm front later on today too. That's really going to play a big factor on where we see those stronger storms developing later, but we should see winds out of the south at some point when that front moves through, probably gusting to about 20 or 30 miles per hour at times. We do get breezy again through the daytime tomorrow too, with some of those showers and storms lingering, but temperatures staying in the 70s. A little bit of a break from the rain on Friday. Morning showers and storms likely on Saturday, but we should have some dry time over the weekend too before some isolated storms pop up maybe again late Sunday. And then we'll also have another chance for those storms lingering into early Monday as the active weather pattern continues.